it's Jocelyn, and guess what? Today we are making another one of my fall favorites. This is one of those crucial recipes you should have in your arsenal, especially if you love to go apple picking like me and go pick up some fresh apple cider. I'm gonna show you how to jazz that apple cider up to give it more punch and more flavor and to turn all your guests into believers, because today we are making spiced apple cider. Let's get ready, y'all. So to get started, I've got lots of apple cider. If you love to go apple picking like me, you know that most of the orchards nowadays, they sell apple products, and of course, apple cider is one of them. So I'm gonna add my apple cider right directly into a crock pot or a slow cooker, whatever you like to call it these days. And that's gonna actually be the base for this. So you can grab some from the grocery store or you can get some from your favorite orchard. It's totally up to you. You're gonna see definitely a difference in the flavors when you go apple picking, and then definitely when you grab one from the grocery store, but it doesn't matter because it's still gonna be incredible at the end, y'all. So then we're gonna add in some spices and some additional flavors to really punch this up. I've got some cinnamon and some nutmeg, and I'm gonna pour that into our apple situation here. That's right. Oh, get in there, babies. Get on in there. Ooh, it may seem like a lot, but like I said, we are really gonna amp this flavor up. And then I've got some cinnamon sticks. I've got 3 here, and I'm gonna add this right into our mixture. I've got some star anise here, and I'm gonna add that in as well. We are really punching up these spices. We've got some cloves. And then to really sort of give this more of a grounded flavor and to really sort of accent that with some citrus, I've got some lemon slices I'm gonna add in here. Give this a nice freshness, and I've got some orange slices as well. And then I've also got a few apple slices that I'm gonna add into our mix here. And then I'm just gonna stir to combine all of this and let it cook away, y'all. You will not believe what we're gonna have in a few hours. Okay, y'all, it's been several hours and it looks like our spiced apple cider is ready. Those spices have really developed into that apple cider. That citrus has sort of melted all of its juices in here. Oh, delicious. Oh my gosh. And this is perfect for any type of fall entertaining that you'll do. If you're having any family over for the holidays, you can just give everyone a mug and just let them serve themselves and just sit around, read a book, or just enjoy each other's company, you know, all that good stuff. Oh, yeah. And then if you want to garnish, you can add, you know, a little bit more orange and lemon and some apple slices. And of course, some cinnamon sticks. Ooh. Just a mug of absolute happiness. Shall we try it? Let's try it. It's a little warm, y'all. Oh, come on. Oh, it's delightful, guys. It's absolutely delightful. It just tastes so inviting, so comforting. And a mug of this will sort of just soothe all your stress and worries away, especially during the fall season. If you want this recipe, make sure you head over to grandbabycakes.com to grab it, and then leave me a star review, and also leave me a comment here and tell me what you think. I know you're gonna love it. It's incredible. And make sure that you subscribe so you can keep getting these videos. Don't you want to just get my recipes every single week? I know you do. So make sure that you subscribe and let's have a mug of apple cider together. Spiced apple cider. Cheers.